We need a new Nutone Select Touch wall switch for our 52 inches ceiling fan. How can we get one, or are there any other brands of wall switches that will work?
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
Well, the fan is 26 years old and the wall switch has been giving us trouble for a couple of years. But now it has almost given up, but we can still get it to work in summer mode, but it will no longer reverse for winter. We use it continuously to distribute heat from our freestanding gas stove in the winter, and usually leave it on all summer, too, in summer mode.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
No. We will hire an electrician who will also install new smoke/CO detectors at the same time.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Nope. Just need a new wall switch for the fan, if they exist. We'd also like to know the best high-quality ceiling fan currently on the market today in case we have to buy a new one. I don't mean bathroom-type fans, but a ceiling fan for use in the living room or bedroom.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. My name is. Allow me a few moments while I do some research. My recommendation will appear shortly. Here is a link to several Nutone switches. Are any of these what you are looking for? https://www.amazon.com/Nutone 78 watts wall control white/DP/B01A6FNQK Minka Air makes a very good fan.
No, I'll try to send a photo of what our wall switch looks like.
Okay, thanks. If you remove the wall plate and look on the Nutone switch, there should be some model numbers.
I've got an appointment and have to leave. I'll get back to you later.
Okay.
It's model no. Mount 1. I don't believe this switch is available anymore, but there may be another on the market that might work. That's what I need to know. The fan itself still runs perfectly, so there's really no need to replace it if we don't have to.
Okay. Does it have any other numbers on the switch?
E99141. I found this one on Amazon that looks as though it may work. Ceiling fan remote wall control Hampton Bay Harbor Breeze Litex UC 9051T reverse. What do you think?
Those are 3-speed switches. What controls do you actually need for the ceiling fan? Also, can you upload a photo of the back of the switch so I can see the wires?
Our old wall switch had 6 fan speeds, a light, and it reversed. If it had only 3 speeds, we could live with that. I'll go try to take a photo, but it's still attached to the wall with the wires, so I'll do the best I can.
Here is a Casablanca W32 switch that might work. Take a look and see what you think. https://www.ebay.com/im/Casablanca Intel eTouch W32 wall control white/223056787087 item 33F38768FG High-Eaus W 6.
Here's a photo of the back of our switch.
Here is a link to a Sierra fan switch. You might give them a call and see what they have available or if they know where to get one. http://www.ceilingfanparts.net/index.html.
The Casablanca W32 switches don't include any information as to speed settings, etc., and most of them on eBay are used. Don't need another used one.
If none of those will work, I understand, especially used. This was all I came up with in my searching around. If you locate some other information, let me know and I can continue looking around, but I get the feeling there isn't much out there to select from. Signing off for the night.
I looked at the Sierra W62A fan switch and it is the exact one we need. I sent them an email to see if it is still available. If it is, our problem is solved. Thanks for all your help. Good night and thanks again.
Best, Dave.
Far no response from ceiling fan parts on the Sierra W62A fan switch.
Okay, hopefully they'll respond soon.
Ceilingfanparts.net did respond to say they no longer have the Sierra wall switch that I needed. Guess I'm just out of luck and will have to purchase a new fan. They did say I could send them my old fan and they would retrofit it with a new wall switch and receiver for only $350. I said, no, thanks, I'll buy a new fan.
They obviously know those parts are scarce and don't mind charging a premium. I did see some other options before that looked like newer slide levers but don't believe they were more than 3 speeds. Oh well, at least they did respond.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.